Guys, this is Gagan Sharma, and that's my mom. Uh, Mummy, say hi.
Hi.
uh, Today we'll be doing a video on how to make green chili pickle. So हमारे पास यहाँ पर सारे ingredients हैं. तो मॉम बताना कौन कौन से क्या क्या चीज़ें हम लोग इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं.
पीली सरसों पाउडर,
Okay, so that's yellow turmeric made into powder. Yellow mustard made into powder.
सौंफ पाउडर,
That's fenugreek powder.
ब्लैक मस्टर्ड पाउडर,
That's black mustard powder.
सॉल्ट,
That's common salt.
टर्मरिक,
That's turmeric powder.
अमचूर,
And that's dried mango powder. What's this here?
विनेगर
That's white vinegar.
और सरसों का तेल.
Okay, so that's mustard oil. And this is the chili that we'll be making pickle of. I'd seen my mom, diligently cleaning each single one. I think आपने पहले से वॉश किया था. वॉश करने के बाद उसे कपड़े से साफ किया, पोंछा एक एक चिली को अलग से,
हाँ जी.
और उसको आपने इस तरह से काट लिया. So okay, so that's how. So you wash the chili properly, and then you dry it up with a cloth, and here you are. The best and the most clean way of doing it. Okay, so now we're making pickle of this. So you can see what is the procedure. मम्मी आप इसकी quantity भी बताने वाले हो?
हाफ के जी मिर्च है,
Okay, so that's half a kg of chili.
2 टीस्पून
Yellow
मस्टर्ड
mustard
पाउडर,
powder. So two teaspoon of yellow mustard powder.
4 चम्मच टीस्पून सौंफ का पाउडर,
Okay, so that's 4 teaspoon fenugreek powder.
2 टीस्पून ब्लैक मस्टर्ड पाउडर,
That's two teaspoon of black mustard powder.
40 ग्राम नमक,
That's 40 grams of common salt.
1 टीस्पून हल्दी,
That's 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder.
4 टीस्पून अमचूर पाउडर,
That's 4 teaspoon of dried mango powder.
1 टेबलस्पून विनेगर,
That's 1 tablespoon of vinegar.
1.5 टेबलस्पून मस्टर्ड ऑयल.
1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Okay. So let's go. So how do you mix it all up?
पहले इसमें नमक मिलाया,
So the salt goes first. I think salt along with the black mustard powder that goes in.
अब इसमें सौंफ में पाउडर मिला दिया,
So now the fenugreek powder goes in.
पीला सरसों पाउडर मिला दिया,
That's yellow mustard powder.
अब इसमें हल्दी पाउडर मिलाया,
That's turmeric. And I think at the end, amchur hai ye?
हाँ जी.
Okay, so that's dried mango powder right there. So basically speaking, you're going to have to mix all the powders that you took in the correct quantity all together. That's half a kg of chili. So you'll give it a mix.
अब इसमें मिलाएंगे हम तेल.
Okay, so now you'll add the mustard oil in it.
अब लास्ट में हम इसमें विनेगर मिलाएंगे.
And there goes vinegar right at the end. So that's the last ingredient in.
फाइनली हमारा अचार तैयार है.
Okay, so there you go. So that's the final product. So इसको अभी खा सकते हैं या कुछ धूप लगा के कुछ और वेट करके कैसे?
इसको 1-2 घंटे में आप आराम से खा सकते हो.
So in about 2 hours this is ready to eat. So you'll have to maybe wait for 2 hours. I think I am okay with even eating it like this as well. So many times I've eaten it right from here as well. So it tastes really good. And you can now enjoy your chili pickle made at home yourself. I think it was very, very easy. Thank you, Mom.